chicken parmesan chicken sandwich.
I got Parmesan chicken pizza style. This looks yummy. We love the movie Fools Rush In with Matthew Perry and Selma Hayek, and it was just on the other night, so it inspired us to go search out the house that they used in the movie that Matthew Perry's character lived in, and this is the house. Afterwards, we decided to go explore the neighborhood that we were in. It's an area of Las Vegas called Hollywood Heights, and it has really amazing views of the city. So right now we are facing west. As you can see, there's the entire Las Vegas Strip. The very end of it is going to be the Stratosphere, that tall tower right there. And then there's like a gap in between, and over to the far right is Fremont Street. Man, what a view.
Today we're at Twisted Sourdough Pizza in Henderson to try their pizza cones. We've been hearing a lot about them and wanted to check them out. Come join us. The pizza cones were super delicious, and we'll definitely be back again. Cheers.
So we already have two Chihuahuas, Goldie and Fred, and this little guy, Samson. Recently, my husband's mother passed away unexpectedly, and this was her dog, so we have him now. Shortly after, he started developing some symptoms. He couldn't really walk or stand. He was acting lethargic. So we took him to the vet, and they diagnosed him with autoimmune inflammatory brain disease. And we've been working with the vet on some different medications. After many tests with the vet and trying different medications, Samson is doing a lot better now. He's nowhere near where he should be, but he's walking, he's running, he's playing, he's eating, he's doing all the things he should be, and he's getting better, and we're so grateful.
This is our neighborhood park. It's perfect for us. It has walking trails, lots of greenery, has hills, basketball court, there's a playground for the kids.
And our dogs seem to love it too. We haven't really taken Sammy out of the house too much, but he seems to like it. So I'm going to be using some frozen corn on the cob, red potatoes, yellow potatoes, frozen raw shrimp, and andouille sausage. I'm going to be cooking it in my Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. The rest of the weekend was pretty chill. I just made some pumpkin spice muffins. My son requested these, and he really loves them. And then Monday morning, just a breakfast casserole and some biscuits. And then Monday evening, we just prepped some rice and some chicken for our lunches for the upcoming work week.
To wrap up our weekend, we watched The Tomorrow War. Pretty good movie.
Thank you for watching. Hope you had an opportunity to slow down and enjoy your Labor Day weekend as well. Have a great day.